You know what I'm saying? Because that's where I'm going to shine.
Most useful.
That's what I said, you delectable Caucasian.
I want to see women on the runway wearing my type of underwear.
What type of underwear is that?
Look at him. Oh my God, he's so excited.
Look at me now. I'm aging like an old banana. And Colin still looks like the only Kennedy who doesn't drink.
You think me and Shay are twins?
Well, maybe. Your mum had black and white babies.
Oh my God.
Oh, go on, Colin. Close your eyes and taste it. Taste your childhood.
Your hands are visibly dirty.
So